Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Happy New Year. I have a gift for this new year, my course which is Eve NG training to build virtual lab totally free. You can access them straight away. As we know, Eve NG is emulated virtual environment and it is for everybody, for network engineer, security engineer, admin, DevOps professional, and it's a simulation environment where you can construct the network, where you can plan the design, you can construct the design, and also you can do your simulation lab. You can build your own virtual environment and lab, and it can be a Cisco, Juniper, Checkpoint, Palo Alto, FortiGate, F5, Aruba, and it support many other vendor. Okay, so you can get this course free. I will put the link below in comment box. Just click on them and you can go straight away to join the course. And this course we will cover many things, which software is required, and the images link I will provide you in the course to download all the required images, VMware Workstation installation, and how to import Eve NG to VMware Workstation. And we will see the Eve NG web interface. We will see the topology page, walkthrough of the connection menu, sidebar, and the most important is images folder and file naming. Student normally face issue here. So what will be the devices, images, folder name and file name. Okay, and also we will see the cloud. This is the second issue normally student face. So we will see this in this course. What is bridge cloud, management cloud, cloud 1 to cloud 9. And also we will see how to upload iOS router in Eve NG, how to upload switches images, how to upload ASA images, firepower, FMC, and IPS, identity service engine. And we will see iOS router and switches images, VIOS routers, SD-WAN images. Okay, and CSR SD-WAN image. Next is 7K and 9K. We will see how to upload F5 LTM image and ASM image, Palo Alto, Fortinet FortiGate image, Forti Manager image, Forti Analyzer, Forti Web, Forti Proxy. We will see how to upload Checkpoint, Linux and Kali Linux, and Windows client, Windows Server client, wireless LAN controller, and any other vendor like Aruba and WSA, ESA. And we will see the difference between Eve NG Community Edition and Professional Edition. And also how to troubleshoot basic thing related to Eve NG. And after that, and bonus, you will see network attack like ICMP flooding attack, UDP attack, TCP sync attack, MAC flooding attack, CDP, ARP, DHCP, DNS, social engineering, and STP attack and VLAN hopping attack. How to do these attack and Eve NG. Okay, so it's so easy. If you want to access this course, copy this link. Okay, so let me copy, and you just need to put them in your browser. Either click here, I will put in the comment box, and you see it will open Eve NG. Just click enroll now. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up free here on Udemy, and just click enroll now. And after enroll, just create an account, sign up. If you don't have, if you have, just put your detail and you can access this course straight away. So this course is for everybody. If you want to do CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, F5, Aruba, Fortinet, any vendor certification, so you need Eve NG to do. Thank you very much.